Ezekiel Isidro. Fighting out of Sub Sports.
Sport, kilala yan. Isa sa mga pinakamatagal na teams yan the combat sports scene sa local.
And he's opponent in the red corner, Nico Alego!
Nico Alego fighting out of the red corner. 35 years old, isa sa mga veterano natin yan. 5 feet 5 inches and of course 135 pounds. Fighting sa ating bantamweight division.
Sasabi ko lang, alalapad nilang 135 pounders ha.
Oo. Eh malamang magandang action itong mapapanood natin ngayon. The question is, Tito JC, meron kayang babagsak? O meron magtatap?
Yun eh.
Again, we are live here at the Dynasty Fight Club. All fights are powered by the URCC. And we are also live para sa ating mga kababayan sa ABS-CBN iwanttfc.com.
Round 1. Our referee in charge, Florence Eusebio.
Our third man inside the URCC cage, referee Florence Eusebio. Round 1 is on the way. Round 1, bakbaka na. It's Ezekiel Isidro versus Nico Alego.
Alego with that first leg kick.
Another Isidro trying to, ayun na, medyo naging successful yun, pero nakabang, a knee to the body of Isidro.
Kumalabas sa pagkabeterano nito ni Alego, pero Isidro, he's not allowing his youth to, he's using it to his advantage, definitely. I mean, they're trying to get this fight to the ground. Yun yung nakita nating balak ni Isidro. Of course, si Alego, mukhang nakita niya na yun ang balak. He's trying to make this fight stay standing up.
Alego being the more veteran fighter. Yun lang talagang maganda yung position nito ni Isidro. Getting the back of Alego.
Really be successful.
Ayun lang, nasa fence kasi kaya ang hirap gumalaw.
Medyo alanganin itong position na to.
No enough space.
Not enough room to pull off that submission attempt.
Pounding the body of Isidro, yun.
Isidro. Nadala niya naman sa ground. And to pound away.
On full guard itong si Isidro. Let's see if he can take advantage of this position. 10 seconds left
10
para sa ating
seconds
first round.
Still on that
Ayun, may
attempt.
armbar na naman. Oops.
Oh.
That's the end of our first round. Muntik na yun, ha.
That's the end of a very good round for both,
Both fighters,
Isidro and
oh.
Dalego.
Second round is on the way. Nakita natin yung action-packed first round for both fighters.